Hello friends, this is our home decor channel and today we are bringing you the ideas of two-door tall antique wooden cabinets, and we tried to collect an amazing idea of two-door tall cabinets which can be used in your living room for decoration purposes, and they can be kept in your bedroom for storage purposes. So we tried to collect a multitude of ideas where these cabinets can be kept for storage purposes, and living room for decorating purposes. And we tried to collect the antique two-door tall uh, wooden cabinets idea, which have shelves inside, and these shelves can be used to keep some decoration pieces, some books, planters, candles, and they can be used for completely for decorating purposes, and completely for storage purposes too. And you can keep them in your living room, and if they are for decorating purposes, and if you are using for storage purposes, then you can keep them in your bedroom or in your study room where you can store your books, or in bedroom you can store your clothes inside. And antique wooden two-door tall cabinets are different in styles and sizes. Some of this type of cabinet are small, and some have huge space inside where you can store your articles of use. And if they have to be decorated, they can be decorated beautifully because they have shelves, and we can keep our planters, and we can keep our photo frames or candle stands and our little decoration pieces on them. And they can be found in many colors, in wood colors too, and in vibrant green, blue, golden, in any color you want. And they will definitely go with the theme of your room. You can choose any color, and they will look just beautiful in your room with the setting of your room. And antique wooden cabinets have different designs. Some are vintage, some are more older, some are like from 1800s, and some are modern styles. And you can decorate the surroundings respectively. If you are using some very old style, you can decorate in them accordingly. And if you are using some modern cabinets, then you can decorate the surroundings accordingly. And if you like the collection which we are bringing for you, please like our video, and please subscribe to our channel, and please give it a thumbs up so in future we can bring the videos too. Thank you.